Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will discuss the second chapter, chapter number 7, second topic. So in this chapter we will discuss about circles. Like this was for the old time, and we also find how to find the circumference of the circle. You can see what is circumference. Circumference is the distance. Okay, like if you have a rectangle. So in rectangle you find perimeters, means outside the layers. So in circle we find circumference. Okay, so the formula of circumference is pi multiplied by diameter, or pi 2 pi r square. Sorry, 2 pi r. Sorry. Okay. So with the help of this we will find, and remember one thing, pi is an irrational number. Okay, so we will discuss all these things, okay, in this chapter. Find the area of a circle. Here you see we have an area. Okay, so with the help of this, if you find from the center toward the outer layer of the circle, so that's your radius. Okay, so with the help of this we can find circumference. If you find the area of a circle, so we need to do, we just first of all we divide this. Okay, 2 pi r square divided by 2. So we will get the answer, or you can also say pi r square. So with the help of pi r square, so we can find the area of circle, and for perimeter just 2 pi r. So here we have the first example. You can see if you have a diameter, so don't need to write 2. Okay, if you don't have a diameter, if you have radius, so you must mention, because d is equal to 2r. So remember this thing here, I mention as well. Here d, that is equal to 2, and 2 2r. Okay, means there are 2r once they combine, because from here to here half r. Okay, and from here to here half r. So if r and r, that is 2r. So you can just because you have 8, so you just multiply 8 multiply by pi, you will get your answer. The value of pi is 3.142. So it's already mentioned here. You can also say 22 divided by 7, it's also equal to 3.14. So here we have a radius. So with the help of radius, okay, because you know 2 pi r. Okay, so what you mentioned, 2 multiplied by r is your 5, that is 10. So 10 multiplied by pi, that is equal to 31.42 or 415. So here you have the area, calculate the area of the shaded region in this diagram. So first thing, what we need to do, first of all, we find the area of a circle. So because we already have the radius, so with the help of radius we can find, because area of circle is pi r square. So r is 2.5 square. Okay, here it's already mentioned here. You can see 2 point by 2.5 square multiplied by, that is all the area of a circle. Okay, and this one is the area of your triangle, that is pi breadth multiplied by height. Breadth is this and height is 20, so we can multiply, you will get your answer, that is 160. So like that we will solve the other question. Now we will start first example. So what we need to do, as you know, that we he say calculate the area and circumference. So let's suppose find area. Area is equal to pi r square. So what is pi and what is r? Okay. So what we need to do, we just mention here pi. The value of pi is 3.142 multiplied by, that is equal to area is 4 square. Okay, 4 square means 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so you will get your answer. So if you are talking about circumference is 2 pi r. So we have 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 4. So with the help of this you will get your answer, that is your circumference. So like this you can solve rest of the question. If you have a diameter here, either you have two things, either you can convert this into radius, means you divide this by 2, you will get your radius. Otherwise use diameter, no issue, you can easily solve it all. Yeah, that's questions are important. So what we need to do, you can see here we have the radius, diameter we already mentioned. We say calculate the area of the shaded region. Shaded region is the yellow one. Okay, so we need to do, because it's a square, so we have two things how we will find this. First of all, I write here, let's suppose I'm talking, I need to find the area of a circle. So area of circle, how can I find? Area is equal to pi r square. So what is pi? Pi I write here, multiply by r square. R is what? R is 9. 9 square. Okay. Why 9 square? Because we have a diameter, so I divide this by 2, so we will get 9. That is a radius. So 9 square, so you will get your answer. Okay, this answer, let's suppose, let me show you here. Yeah, here I have like what we call it, 3.142 multiply by 81, so we will get answer, that is 254.5. 254.5. So here I mentioned 254.5, so that's the answer of area. So but here is 4 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 8, so we just do minus 4, that is equal to 250.5. So that's your answer. So with the help of this we can solve the other questions. So let me show you their answers as well. So here we have the answers. Just give me a moment. So this one is these are the answer of chapter 18. Let me show you the answer of chapter 7. So here we have chapter number 7, chapter number 7.2. Okay, so you can see here the answer of question 7.2. Question number 2, should we look at here, 50, 250. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, so with the help of this we can solve the other part. Okay, so let me show you, I think you can see. So like this we will solve the other parts, okay, as well. Okay, here you can do the opposite thing. Okay, first you find the area of the rectangle. 8 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 64. So 64, and this is also a diameter, so the same thing you are using. So area minus that one, like area is for the circle is pi r square. So pi is 3.14142 multiplied by pi r square. 4 multiplied 4, 16. So you will get your answer. So this answer minus 64. So we can say that A is equal to 64 minus minus the answer of the above one, so you will get your correct answer. So with the help of this, you can solve the all other parts in this question. You can divide this into two parts. First of all, what we do, you can make this one a circle. Okay, this one is a circle. Okay, so you find the area of this one, then this, and the area of triangle. So with the help of this, you can find all these shape. Same like this triangle and circle, you can find, you can easily find this. This one is a half circle. This half and this half equal to one circle, and this is your uh, rectangle, we call it. So with the help of this, you can solve all these parts. So here are the answers of this part. I hope you understand. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.